Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic magic plan tutorial how to edit floor plan. So we have this example floor plan, and if you want to edit, like I will edit for the size, you can click the floor plans in room. I will select this room, then I will click at this wall. So you can click these icons to edit the wall size. Then you can release and click outside. You want to change the window, you can select the window and then use the swipe door. You can choose your door, like I will use this hang door. And then if you want to change for the view, you can click here rotate. The door will be automatically rotate, and then you can move a bit, click hold, move to here. The other I will click outside to apply, and then I will move this furniture into here. You want to duplicate, you can click these icons, or you can set distance by clicking at this point. This is for the distance in the wall. The other, I will edit again another room. So you can select the room and then click the wall, then increase, decrease the size. Click outside to apply. Okay, that's it for basic magic plan tutorial, how to edit floor plan. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.